Hello, I'm Roger here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough in Scarborough, Maine. I'm doing a video today of this 2022 170 standard length 3500 dual rear wheel, four-wheel drive, pebble gray, beautiful van. This van, you can notice right away, has the LED lighting, which is very difficult to get. Also, it has fog lights, and then we have the safety sensors throughout the front bumper. It's got the chrome grille, which is really nice. And we have some really nice features to go over with you on the inside of the van today as well. We'll come around here to the passenger side of the van. So we had the wheels painted black at the factory too, so it didn't come through with the silver wheels that normally they come with, which is a really nice feature. And then in the cargo area, so this one's got the hardwood floor with the anti-slip coating on it. Very, very user-friendly, so you don't slip and fall when your feet are wet. 14 feet 6 inches of floor space. You have 70 inches from wall to wall, 76 inches tall inside, so a real tall gentleman or lady can stand right up in this van. Lots and lots of space. And we'll come back here to the back of the van. So this van has the step for easy access in and out of the van. Also, we have the safety sensors in the rear bumper as well. And then it's pre-wired for a trailer hitch. So yes, you can add a trailer hitch. The wiring's right here. We tie it up out of the way so it's not hanging down. But you can put a trailer hitch. You can also tow 7,500 pounds behind the 170 standard length 3500 dually. Now this van has the 180 degree barn doors, so they do latch in place at 90 degrees, and then they'll open up 180 degrees. And the way the hinges are built, it will lock in place so it won't just hit you with the wind blowing. We have a nice backup camera up here just above the third brake light. And then as you can see too, in the barn doors back here, it's got the rear windows, and it has a rear window defroster, so in the wintertime you can defrost the windows nice and quickly. So now we're going to hop on the inside of the van. I'm going to go over some nice features in there with you. Alright, so we're sitting here in the cab of the 2022 170 3500 dually pebble gray standard length Sprinter van, four-wheel drive. Right up here in the dash, we have the wireless charging tray for your cell phone. Also, we have Apple CarPlay, and it also will do Android phones, so you can get your apps on the nice big 10.25 inch display screen right here. The 10.25 inch display screen was very, very difficult to get this year. We were able to get it in a few of our Sprinter vans, which is really nice. And I'm going to display the backup camera for you in here. So we have a really nice view right here behind the van. And then also, if you added a trailer hitch, this yellow line right here, you're able to line your drawbar up very, very easily, which is a very nice option to have. And then we'll go back here where we compare two cell phones. We have a beautiful navigation system right here too. With this 10.25 inch screen, it's just it pops right out so you can see really well where you're going. You can actually blow the screen up quite a lot more. You can also minimize it. And then we have your radio right here. So this has the SIRIUS XM satellite radio, which with when you purchase a new Mercedes, it's free for 6 months. After that, you would have to sign up for a subscription, and you have your FM and AM. This is also voice activated as well. You have a media center right here, so if you have music downloaded on your cell phone or another device, you can pair it and play your music. We have a beautiful information center right here. It's really cool as you get your fuel consumption. You can keep track of your fuel economy. This van's brand spanking new, so it hasn't been anywhere yet, but after you go through a couple tanks of fuel, it'll give you an accurate reading for fuel economy. Has an app store and our vehicle settings. We have ESP, which is stability control, keeps all 4 tires on the ground. You have lane tracking assist and parking assist. And then Your backup camera, I displayed that already. You have traffic sign assist as well, which is really nice. It'll give you a visual of how the speed limits are in your area, how fast you should be going. Active lane keeping assist. It has active brake assist too, so when you have your cruise control on, and if you're not really paying close attention when you're coming up on a vehicle, it'll slow down on its own so you don't run into the vehicle in front of you. And then we have acoustic door locks. You can set the door lock so the van will lock automatically when you leave the vehicle. And then our systems. You also can get Wi-Fi too. You would have to subscribe to it, but you can get a Wi-Fi hotspot with your Bluetooth. And then you can set your time and date right here, which it's not set in this vehicle, so we're going to do that right now. Set it on automatic time zone. So it's 4:19. And then also on the steering wheel, this one has the leather steering wheel, very comfortable to the hands for driving. And then you can control the MBUX system here in your dash with your thumb. There's a little mouse pad. You can answer your phone and hang it up on here, as well as the volume control for your radio. And then on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you can set your cruise control. And there's a mouse pad here too, so you can go through the same settings in your instrument panel as that's on here. Just a very nice, well-equipped van. This Sprinter also has the swivel seat package, so you can swivel your seat right around. Very user-friendly, especially for the folks that want to upfit a Sprinter van. So if there's anyone out there looking for a 4x4 3500 dually 170, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Roger. My cell number is 207-838-0169. Thank you so much.